Crash course on Washington, D.C., USA. Geolocation. Washington, D.C. is located on the east coast of the United States, bordered by the states of Maryland and Virginia. It is situated on the banks of the Potomac River. Capital. Washington, D.C. serves as the capital of the United States and is the seat of the federal government. Population. As of 2021, the estimated population of Washington, D.C. is around 700,000 residents. Economy. Washington, D.C. has a diverse and robust economy driven primarily by the presence of the federal government and its associated institutions. It is home to numerous federal agencies, international organizations, and businesses related to politics, law, and advocacy. Education. The city is known for its esteemed educational institutions, including renowned universities such as Georgetown University, George Washington University, and American University. It also has a well-developed public school system. Brief history. Washington, D.C. was founded in 1790 as the capital of the newly formed United States. The city was designed by Pierre Charles L'Enfant and named after George Washington, the first president of the United States. It has played a significant role in the country's history, serving as a center for politics, diplomacy, and culture. Cultures and politics. Washington, D.C. is a melting pot of diverse cultures and ethnicities. It hosts a vibrant arts and music scene, museums, theaters, and festivals. The city is politically influential, as it is where the U.S. Congress, the President, and numerous federal agencies are located. Interesting stories, examples. 1. The National Mall. The National Mall is a prominent historical and cultural park in the heart of Washington, D.C. It is home to iconic landmarks such as the Lincoln Memorial, Washington Monument, and the U.S. Capitol. It serves as a gathering place for political rallies, concerts, and national celebrations. 2. Smithsonian Institution. Washington, D.C. is home to the world's largest museum and research complex, the Smithsonian Institution. It consists of several museums, including the National Air and Space Museum, the National Museum of Natural History, and the National Museum of African American History and Culture. 3. Cherry blossoms. Every spring, Washington, D.C. bursts into color as the cherry blossom trees around the tidal basin bloom. The National Cherry Blossom Festival celebrates this natural spectacle and attracts visitors from around the world. Top 12 attractions in Washington, D.C. 1. The White House. 2. The U.S. Capitol. 3. The Lincoln Memorial. 4. The Washington Monument. 5. The National Museum of African American History and Culture. 6. The Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum. 7. The National Gallery of Art. 8. The United States Holocaust Memorial Museum. 9. The Library of Congress. 10. The National Zoo. 11. The Ford's Theater National Historic Site. 12. The National Archives Museum. In summary, Washington, D.C. is a city rich in history, culture, and political significance. Its iconic landmarks, world-class museums, and vibrant atmosphere make it a captivating destination for visitors from around the globe. Poem. In the heart of the nation, where history unfolds. Washington, D.C., a story yet untold. A city of power, where leaders convene. Where dreams take shape and visions are seen. From the White House, a symbol so grand, to the Capitol Dome, where laws are planned. The Lincoln Memorial, a tribute so true. To the Washington Monument, piercing the blue. The Smithsonian's treasures, a world of its own. Unveiling the past, the knowledge we've grown. Cherry blossoms in bloom, a sight to behold. As spring paints the city in pink and gold. The National Mall, a place to unite. Where voices are heard, shining so bright. A tapestry of cultures, a vibrant embrace. In Washington, D.C., diversity finds its place. So come and explore, let history guide. In Washington, D.C., where dreams reside. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.